Alright, today I wanted to share with you the Canon Vixia HFS200, which is a HD CMOS camera. This thing is really awesome. I got to play with this today, and I'll show you just a couple of features. This thing has a 10x optical zoom, and it is amazing. It actually has a manual or automatic focus here. One thing I like about this camera is it doesn't have a hard drive in it, which is different from most of Canon's cameras. One thing about it though is it takes SD cards and it has 2 slots. So you can go 2 32 gig cards and you're good to go. The camera will be hooked up. You have plenty of room. Another great feature is the touchscreen. Most cameras are going to this now, the touchscreen technology, and I'm really enjoying that because my camera does not have this. So very amazing technology here. There's a lot to say about this camera. You can look it up online. This camera retails for over $1,000. You can get it online. I've seen it out there for about $800. So you can just look around, do some digging. You can find it. There are tons and tons and tons to say about this camera, but I'm going to just show you some of the video footage and we'll just cut to the chase. Let the camera show you what it can do on its own. Alright, here we go. Alright, so some video footage of the camera. It's at the house, kind of give you an idea how good the footage is outside here. Over here it's just a little brighter over here. Give you an idea of how good it is. This camera has tracking on it, so I'm going to put my finger in front of it and kind of move the camera back and forth to kind of give you an idea of how the tracking works. You can see it trying to track. It's actually really cool how it works. Let's do a zoom and see how close I can get to that. Very cool. Very cool. Night shot's really not that great over here. I'm gonna go where there's a little bit more light, but this is kind of the night shot here.